So recently I started using bolder fonts for my VS Code setup. So let me show you my VS Code setup, and this is how it currently looks. As you can see, the font weight currently is normal and it looks quite boring in my eyes. So let's change this to using bolder fonts. So let me change this, and for this we need to go to the settings.json of the user config of VS Code, and over here we need to go down and here editor font weight, and we need to change this to bold. Save it, and if I go back, as you can see, things start looking pretty in my eyes, and there are a couple of advantages of using bold fonts. The first and the most obvious is when you start using bolder fonts, the colors really pop out of your theme, and especially when it is a darker theme like what I'm using right now. But even if you are not using a dark theme, it looks pretty in a lighter theme as well. So let me change this to something light. So as you can see, it looks pretty in a lighter theme as well. Let me go back to my default theme, which is Dracula Dark Vibrant. Okay, the second advantage that we get by using bold fonts is the readability gets improved, and your eyes don't have to work much in order to read things, especially when you are coding, and it makes it pretty convenient when coding things. And yeah, that's about it. I pretty much like this particular setup. One more thing that I want to mention over here is couple this with using a good fonts. So in my case, I'm using JetBrains Mono, which is a monospaced fonts, and when you combine all of these, your setup really pop, and you will enjoy in coding in such a setup. Yeah, so that's about it for this short video. I hope you like it, and if you do, consider subscribing, and I will see you in the next one.